Okay, good day to our live viewers. Welcome to this afternoon session, the launching of the Environment Random Acts of Kindness campaign. So today is November 9, 2024. Welcome everyone. All right. Hello, Jasmine, our Ethics Secretary, Education Training and Information Committee Officer of DCCCOU Zone Laboratory Cooperative. How are you, Jas?
I'm good, Miss Han. Good afternoon.
And by the way, I am Honey May Gripon, your youth program coordinator. Dugay naming wala nagkita ani ni Jasmine. Daghan kayong salamat sa pag-appeal and pag-help sa ako akadong hapuna para atong i-discuss para makabalo ang ato ang mga members sa DYCLC unsa ang ato ang bag-ong activity nga magsugod karong November 18, 2024. Okay. Sige, Jazz. Basin na kay ganang istorya, Jazz.
Good afternoon sa tanan nga nag-watch karon sa atong Facebook Live. And good afternoon again, Miss Annie. So, hoping we'll go through all of this, ma-explain na to tarong para ang mga kids and youth nga ganahan mo join sa atong campaign kay ma-understand jud nila ang atong mga rationale. Thank you.
Wow, sige. Okay, so naalang ko ipang skip nga slides. So proceed lang ta sa ato ang detail sa ato ang Environment Random Acts of Kindness campaign. So una nato nga category sa atong ERA campaign is una, the Segregate, Recycle, and Proper Waste Disposal campaign. The next, unsay sunod, Jazz?
The next is community cleanup campaign.
And lastly, the Backyard Gardening campaign. So this is the rationale of this activity. Okay. So DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative advocates to preserve the well-being of the environment by encouraging our members to participate in the annual Environment Random Acts of Kindness or ERA campaign. So care for the environment should grow in the hearts of the young because you are the next in line towards of the world. So this campaign includes waste reduction, waste disposal, system creation, and recycling, which will help lessen the negative effects of growing waste. And in connection, community cleanup and backyard gardening are encouraged in this campaign to help maintain the cleanliness or dirtiness and greenery of the environment. So kaning atong era campaign nag-start ni siya way back 2021 and until this year ato gini siyang gipadayon kay we know how important it is to preserve our environment. So una gyud namo gi-encourage ang mga kabataan nga muapil ani kay kamu man ang nagingon diri no next in line steward so kamu man gud ang sumusunod sa ato ang kalikupan. So dapat ma-embody gyud nato or masapuso gyud nato ang importansya sa paggalam sa ato ang kalikupan. Di ba, Jazz?
Yes, agree ka na atihan.
So far katong
Okay,
imong mga na-witness sa una nga mga campaign, unsa man imuhang mga kuan ato? Unsa imong na-feel? Unsa imuhang maistorya ato?
so kaning sa first kaning era campaign no na notice jud nako nga ang mga youth or kids kay hiusa sila for example natong community cleanup campaign and segregate and recycle waste disposal campaign kato. And I remember nga naay usa ka school nga naajud sila club para ani, and I really love the idea nga those students, those youth kay they have the mind to, or they set their mind to clean our environment or um Yeah, make our environment clean. That's it.
Okay, salamat, Chas. Now, let's read the mechanics sa atuang campaign. Okay?
So for our first mechanics, the Environment Random Acts of Kindness or ERA campaign is open to all DCCO Youth Zone Laboratory members age 7 to 17 from the 9 branches, namely ang Dumaguete Branch, Bais Branch, Bayawan Branch, Gihulman Branch, Siquijor Branch, San Carlos Branch, Cabancalan Branch, Sipulan Branch, and Carcar Branch. So those who already participated in the 2021 to 2023 era campaign are not permitted to join anymore. So if ever member ka sa DCCO ug gaedad kag 7 to 17 years old ug naa ka diri nga part ka ani nga mga branches, you are encouraged to join. However, katong mga members nga ni-appeal na atong niaging year 2021 to 2023, you are not permitted to join anymore.
Okay. So for our next one, interested participants, kung decided na mo nga mo join, naatay registration form nga fill upan. So this is the link. But uh, if ever di niyo ni makopy, kay naraman ni show raman ni, nani siya sa itong mga previous post. So pwede niyo to i-click dito or i-scan tong QR code nga naa sa ato ang poster. So the deadline for registration is actually next week. That's Wednesday, November 13. So, ayaw lang jud paulahi kay basi masirado ang ato ang registration. And pili lang tag usa ka category. Kung ganahan ka, ang imuhang focus is on segregation, recycling, and proper waste disposal. Kay maayo kay kaani, so kani ang pilia. Then sunod, kung ganahan kang kaning panglimpyo sa balay, kay mo easy sa inyuha or sa inyong silingan, kanang community cleanup campaign ang pilia. But if you want nga, i-flex ang imong talent sa pag-gardening, oh, kay kawalo ko mugalam. Or mo patubo. So category 3 ang pilia. Naman to'y nag-ask nga teacher, okay lang ba tanan ang among apilan? Kuan lang, pili lang tag-usa para maka-focus ta, dili ta ma-stress nga daghan tang gipang apilan pod nga categories and give chance to other children pod. Okay, so by the way, akong i-recognize ang ato ang first nga ni comment diri sa comment section no. Ana si Jmar M. Villarante. I am proud being a DCCCO member. Wow, makatouch kaayo. Proud mi kaayo, sir. Okay, Miss Jazz?
Okay, so the launching of the campaign shall be held on the November 9, 2024 at 3:30 p.m. via Facebook Live on the Facebook page of DCCO Multipurpose Cooperative and DCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. The ERA campaign is a 3-week campaign that shall start on November 18, 2024 and shall end by December 10, 2024. So the winner shall be deliberated on December 13, 2024 and shall be announced on December 18, 2024 or Wednesday. So via Facebook Live on the Facebook page of DCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative, winners shall receive awards and certificates of recognition.
Okay, so ako lang i-highlight nga by November 18 pa din ta maka-start og kana ganing conduct sa ato ang mga campaign like pwede na mo magsugod og panglimpyo, pwede na mo mag-prepare sa inyong mga katong pots kung backyard gardening and every week thereafter after aning pagka next slide ani ipakita namo kung kano sa tong deadline sa pag-submit sa mga videos. And ang announcement sa atong winners will be on December 18. That is our 6th anniversary and Christmas celebration. So daghan na pud tang activities nga i-look forward before December 18. Excited pa mo? Naay question diri. Pwede ra ba maka-join ang dili member, ma'am? Ang atuang kuan, ang atuang mga activities sa laboratory co-op is exclusive for our members. So napay chance before November 13 if makapamember siya kay 55 pesos only para mahimong member sa DYCLC. Pwede kay siya makapamember para maka-appeal sa atong ERA campaign. Di ba, Jazz?
Yes, so go na dayon, magpa-register na dayon ta and magpa-member na ta sa DYZLC para maka-join ta sa atong sa atong campaign. Okay? So
Okay.
for our guidelines, participants are required to document their weekly achievements. So it is part of the criteria needed for judging. The documentation must be sent via Google Drive to YZLC head office at dcco.coop. It shall be a mix of photos, videos, and text. Participants are also highly encouraged to post their updates on Facebook with the following hashtag DYZLC for Climate Action 2024, hashtag Segregate, Recycle, Dispose 2024, hashtag Teen Community 2024, hashtag Backyard Gardening 2024, and hashtag Youth Goes Green 2024, and mention or tag the CCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative.
Okay. So for our next slide, so every week dapat na atay gi-compile nga tulo ka set of pictures, tulo ka pictures and one video. It shall be submitted every week. So kung mag-start na mo by November 18, ang first ninyo nga output, need siya i-submit by November 26. Then by next week, pagka second week, ang output na pud sa second week i-submit na pud by December 3. And ang output sa last week, ang third week is submit by December 10. So tulo ka videos and mga siyam ka pictures, tanan-tanan ang isubmit nato ani nga campaign. So this is for the working committee to check the weekly achievements of the participants and evaluate the impact of the Iraq on the participants' environment. Kay dili man mi maka-visit dira personally sa inyong mga lugar, especially kung gikan mo sa San Carlos or gikan mo sa Siquijor. So submit lang ta ani nga mga documentations para mapakita nato nga gibuhat gyud ninyo ang atong tulo ka campaign. And the participants shall be disqualified if you fail to submit the required pictures and videos per week. Actually, mahangyo ra man gud ko in kasong ko ano malate na dili yun November 26 but ayaw lang abuta ang duha ka semana nga mo pay pag-submit nimo. Okay, unfair pod sa mga participant nga ni submit on time.
Okay, so for our fourth guidelines, the picture shall be 8.511 inches in size and be saved in a JPG or JPEG or PNG format in the highest resolution possible. Example, 720p or 1080p. So it shall be in MP4 format. The video shall have a maximum of 5 minutes in length and a minimum of 2 minutes. So there shall be credits for background music, clips of videos, images, and reference of information that will be used. Pictures and videos submitted must be exclusive only for this contest. So we are highly encouraging those participants nga mag-use mo background music nga dili siya um
Copyrighted.
copyrighted. Yeah,
Yes.
dili siya copyrighted.
Kanang dili kayo popular, no?
Yeah.
Usually, ang mga copyrighted kay katong mga popular kayo nga songs. Mm. Or
Yes,
kung
you can
mogamit po
search
ka og ako nabantayan just kung gamit po ka og clips nga mula pa og gani og mga 3 minutes kanang taas-taas pwede po na siya kung kumubo ra okay ra na siya or bisag mga songs basta dili pod whole song ang gigamit but just to be safe kato lang dili copyrighted ang gamita.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you have any questions or clarifications, you can send your questions diri sa atong comment section or you can contact us, maulaw mo, naray email address and contact number sa atong Facebook page. Or I mean, send lang pod og message. Kay basi ka muna ang ato ang mananaog pohon. Okay. Then next one sa atong mechanics kay by submitting the pictures and videos, the participants agreed to all the competition rules and mechanics. Then all entries will be posted on the Facebook page of BCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. So gi-encourage yun na mo nga kung kinsa man to mo register ug mo apil ani nga campaign, every week gyud ta mo submit og video kay every week pod pag after sa deadline amo na pong i-post ang inyuhang mga videos and pictures. Para pod maka-encourage ta og other children around the world nga ah, nabuhat gani nimo nila mabuhat po ni nako sinana ang atong campaign is to promote and to encourage all children nga magtabangan na ita to protect, preserve and make our environment clean and healthy para mampuna sa atua. And the decision of the judge and working committee shall be final and irrevocable. The working committee shall have no liability for delayed, corrupted, or lost entries. Yan. Nanatas sa kuan. Exciting part, Jazz. Kay kuan man ni siya, contest man ni siya. Of course, nagod ni siya premyo. Manghatag daw si Jasmine og kwarta. Sige.
Okay, so for segregate, recycle, and proper waste disposal campaign, winners will be given certificates of recognition and awards. There shall be consolation prizes for non-winners which shall be deposited into their savings account. So if maadaog mo first place, naamoy 3,500 pesos. If naamoy second place, naamoy 2,500 pesos. And if maadaog mo third place, naamoy 1,500 pesos. And naamoy consolation prize of 200 pesos if dili mo madaog. So, okay, gyapon if dili mo madaog because nara gyapon mo makuha.
Yes. And ang
Ay,
important
Rizhan?
yes, ang important part ana is kana bang nakatabang gid pud ta. Oh, nata
Yeah.
we have made a change pod sa ato ang surrounding by doing
Yeah.
that. And by the way, wala na mo na highlight ganina, basi mangutana mo, is it solo or group? Both pwede. Kung ganan ka mag-solo ka, kay lagyo ang mga balay sa imuhang mga classmates, pwede ka ayo mag-solo ra ka. Dayon, mga lahig ra ka sa imuhang parents nga, kamoy video, kamo lang po edit. Okay, confident ka mag-vlog-vlog ko. Ako ra gid sa. Pero kung ganahan mong grupo mo, kay namo sa eskwelahan, nagkasinabot mo, samot sa ato mga Aflaton partner schools, nga supportive po kayo ang ilang mga teachers, pwede as a group mo appeal. Muti gibuhat aning sa picture, mo ni ang example ni Koan ganina ni Jasmine. Sa Hunob National High School, sila may nakadaog last year sa ato ang Category 1. So na sila existing club, ang Zero Waste Club. Doon mo na ilang gi-feature ang ilahang mga daily nga gipangbuhat sa eskwelahan. And for our next campaign, by the way, wala pa di ko nahuman. Ato lang ipadayon, Jazz, usa man ang criteria for judging sa ato ang first
So,
campaign.
okay, so for criteria for judging sa atong category 1, which is segregate, recycle, and proper waste disposal campaign. So, transparency and documentation, natin 30%, adherence and appropriateness to the category, 20%, and resourcefulness and practicability of use, 25%, inspirational power or environmental impact is 25%. So, a total of 100%.
Ayan. So para ma-visualize ninyo unsa gyud dapat tubuhaton, ani nga campaign na ami ipakita nga sample video, hinimo ni siya sa ato ang previous officer. Shout out no sa atong very beautiful uh, chair sa ethic committee before and vice chair Miss Paula kani. Muna ang hinimo nga video. So please be guided sa unsaon ang category number 1.
As we all know, garbage is one of the biggest problems here in our environment, and not handling it in a proper way can lead us into many negative effects. Thus, we humans must be responsible with as we
Pasensya gamay, no? Na-lost ko gamay. Na-share screen da ina ako. Akong usbon. Kinaputol.
As we all know, garbage is one of the biggest problems here in our environment, and not handling it in a proper way can lead us into many negative effects. Thus, we humans must be responsible with our trash.
In segregating, always remember the non biodegradable, the biodegradable, the toxic, and the recyclable.
I know that most of us young ones have creative minds. We can surely turn trash into something wonderful. Like, for example, it amazed me when I saw some of our citizens or neighbors in our community using plastic bottles as flower pots, or the ones they use to put their plants or vegetables in. So that's a form, or that's a way of recycling, di ba? In this, you will throw the plastic bottles away, you use them as flower pots.
DYZLC advocates to preserve the well-being of the environment. That is why I am encouraging all the DYZLC members to show your love and care to the environment by participating and joining in the ERA campaign. You can choose from the 3 categories, which are the Segregate, Recycle, and Proper Waste Disposal campaign, or the Community Cleanup campaign, or lastly, the Backyard Gardening campaign. So what are you waiting for? Join now and submit your entry.
Okay, so that's it for category 1. Nasabtan na to? Hmm, nasabtan na to, children? Okay, nasabtan na, Jazz? So, don't mind lang sa dates nga nakabutang dito kay that was last year. For maayo maguto yung explanation sa segregation, recycling, and proper waste disposal. So, yung gi-feature ato is katong gibuhat nila sa ilang eskwelahan. So, pwede po ginana inyong buhaton. Just encourage your classmates. Apil ka tabi. Alahigahay, mga lahig ko ninyo. Something like that. Okay. Next, for our community cleanup campaign, the second one. Kani feel ako kung ako papilion kani ako confident ko ani. Ganam ako manglimpyo.
Mm.
So
Okay.
winners will also be given certificates of recognition and awards, and there shall be a consolation prize for non-winners, which will be deposited to your savings account. So need jud nga member ta kay i-deposit man sa iyong savings. So ang first place will receive 3,500 karong Pasko no. Amazing sana all. The second place will receive 2,500 pesos. Third place would receive 1,500 pesos, and the consolation prize, ang mga non-winners will still receive 200 pesos para sa inyong effort. Okay. So, pwede ni siya, no? Solo or by group. But kung by group, i-make sure nga ang imong mga kagrupo member pod sa DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. And muna siya ang criteria for judging for category 2. Transparency and documentation 30%. So, importante jud ang inyong video, ang inyong picture, dapat pud ma-express digto ang campaign nga inyong giapilan. Klaro digto. Dili ka nang nanilhigra doon. At the end of the video, the same nagyapon ang area nga iyang gipanilhikan. The next week, maura gihapon. Itag. Then, adherence and appropriateness to the category, that's 20%. Scope of area clean. So, the wider, the better. And inspirational power, environment, and impact, 25%. So, dapat nakakaantig ang video. Not necessarily katod yung tsada kayo siya pagka-edit, tsada kayo dapat imong camera nga, dapat klaro gid siya. But ang importante is, ma-convey ngadto sa mga audience ang imong ganahan i-convey nga message para sa ilaha. Na total of 100%. Okay. So ako ipakita pod ang video sample ani. Ready na ba ta?
Ready na.
Ganahan kay ko. Magtubag-tubag lang kita ani Jazz.
Ato ipakita ang gwapang nawong sa atong vice chair sa ETIC, si Miss
Yes.
Rhea Jill.
Shout out ni Rhea Jill nga supposedly
That's
she will be with us on this afternoon, but naman siya online class. Ug asa na ang video. Gamay. There.
Typhoons and heavy rains frequently happens nowadays, and so does flood. And flood has a very harmful effects to us, especially our family. But did you know that we have a solution? We can make a greater impact with just a simple random act of kindness to our environment, such as cleaning our community. And when I say cleaning your community, it's not only the community itself, it could also be the surroundings of your house, in school, or even anywhere you go, just by picking up trash anywhere and disposing it to the proper waste bins is a great impact to our environment. And so, let me show you an example of a simple random acts of kindness. So you can see here that we are cleaning the surroundings of our house so that no trash will clog up our canals or the water pathways. So just by simply doing that, you can make a great impact. So now, let's join hands and help keep our surroundings clean. So DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative advocates for the betterness of our environment. So we will introduce to you the ERA campaign of DYZLC, or the Environmental Random Acts of Kindness, and we have 3 categories. So first is the proper waste disposal, second is the community cleanup, and the backyard gardening is the last. So small actions add up together. We can create a safer, flood-resistant community. Your small gestures comes with great impact in helping make our community safe and clean. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening and watching our vlog today.
Wow. Thank you so much, Miss Rhea Jill, for that video. Shall we continue sa ato ang last
Okay.
category?
So for our last category, we have backyard gardening campaign. So winners will be given certificates of recognition and awards. There shall be consolation prizes for non-winners, which shall be deposited into their savings account. So the same with the others, ang first place kay 3,500, second place is 2,500, and third place is 1,500, and consolation prize is 200 pesos. So for criteria for judging, for category 3, transparency and documentation, 30%. Adherence and appropriateness to the category, 20%. Resourcefulness and high survival rates, 25%. Inspirational power and environmental impact is 25%. So, a total of 100%. So, unsay pasabot aning high survival rates? Meaning, at the end sa inyong video, kay inyong gitanom kay nitubo ra gihapon. Did I say it correctly, Miss Honey?
Yes, nabuhi siya. Oo. Kay sa first week dapat ang imuhang gitanom is katupang kung seeds o yung gamito inana. Dili katong buhi na daan. Oo. So pili lang mo og kuan mga halaman, mga plants nga dali na mutubo pod. Mm. Para makita nato nga ni survive siya at the end of the campaign. Okay? So napa kay idugang jazz?
Nana, Miss Honey.
Mm. Okay. Sige, ato ipakita ang imuhang video presentation, ang imong hinimo nga video para imagine gid sa ato ang mga interested participants unsaon ba pag-apil aning ato ang campaign. Okay. For a while. Nakita na ba siya sa imong end?
Yes, Miss Han. Kita
Okay,
lang.
let's play the video.
Backyard gardening can be done in any space, big or small. There's always room to grow something. Even in a tiny area, you can plant herbs and vegetables to add fresh food to your table, save on grocery expenses, and ensure you know exactly where your food comes from. Plus, backyard gardening provides various benefits. Plants help clean the air and create green spaces that are essential for the environment. So, no matter the size, backyard gardening is a powerful way to nourish yourself and give back to the planet.
Ayan.
Backyard gardening can be done in any
Sumudaghan
space.
na to imong kuan, Jazz. Tinanom. Feel nimo. Unsa mo to imong gitanom, Jazz? Sa mga wala kay
Um,
na atong tanuma.
kag alugbate ra to atihan. So kanang alugbate miss kag if ever nga naa na gani tanong nga daan nga alugbate kay pwede na nimo siyang ikat tapos imo na siyang tanumon mabuhi ra na siya dayon. So murag kana plant actually kay murag nice gani siyang tamnon kay pwede po nato na siyang masud-an. Yes, and nang dali ra pud siyang motubo.
Correct. Okay, so while akong i-check ang atong next video chat, at kindly encourage atong viewers no nga mo register o unsaon nila pag-register.
Okay, so katong mga viewers nato karon sa Facebook Live, if you want to join sa atong campaign, kindly naami gi-post sa atong Facebook page account which is TCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative and naami mga post ito about sa atong campaign about sa atong IRA campaign and daghan na po dito ang links dito for registration. So just click the link to register. Okay, wait lang.
Okay, thank you so much, Jazz. So we are experiencing technical difficulties aning atong video, dili siya ma-read. But anyway, ako lang ni siyang i-follow ang mga video presentation tanan, i-apil na ko ni siya. Siya dato iya hapod nga gipakita sa video kay gatanom siya og mga succulents. Sakto ba pagka-pronounce? Oh, mga cactus, inana ka ng gagmay, and it's so nice to see nga. Dali ra kayo siya itanom di. Ay, so pwede ra din nato tubuhaton. Nya ko ako nga ko anhadlukan kay mga tunok-tunok. Dito pwede nako. Pero kung kamo, interested mo inato inyuhang tanumon, pwede gihapon. A courtesy of Godwin Fred Laksina, ang ato ang officer sa election from Bais Branch. Okay. Ako lang to siya ipa-play. Sa lain nga player. Pohon. Okay, so that ends our discussion and presentation on the details of the campaign. Thank you everyone for watching and hopefully no ma-encourage kun mo to join kay malipay jud kaayo mi sa ethic committee and sa whole DYCLC nga ubay-ubay ang mo participate sa atong IRA campaign just like last year. Kay ubay-ubay po to siya last year. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening and have a nice day. Thank you also, our Ethics Secretary, Jasmine Suerte.
Thank you po sa atong Youth Program Coordinator, Miss Honey May Gripon. Goodbye, everyone!
Bye!